Hey guys, Mystic Hermit here. I am a cosplayer that loves to make makeup tutorials for different cosplays that I already have. Today I will be showing you how I do my makeup for my Chocola cosplay from Nekopara. I forgot to film the intro last time, that's why I'm not in cosplay this time. Anyways, without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off by applying a small amount of primer onto my face to create a smooth canvas for my makeup and make it last longer. I actually forgot to do my eyebrows on camera, but what I did here was use a glue stick to conceal whatever I could of my eyebrows and then drew them a little thinner than usual. Next, I'm applying some color corrector onto my face. I usually go with a yellow for my dark circles and green on any redness on my face, and then I blend it all out with a damp beauty blender. So once I'm done with that, I apply some normal concealer onto the same areas, and I also clean up my eyebrows with the same concealer. Here I used the concealer to try to make my eyebrows appear thinner like an anime. I'm still working on this process. And now I'm just applying some foundation, making sure it's a full coverage one, and I apply that all over my face. Then I set the foundation with some pressed powder. This will help prevent any creasing of the makeup and keep it lasting longer. Next, I add some more dimension to my face using a contour stick, and I usually work with what works best for my face shape. Then I add some blush onto my face to add a more kawaii sort of look. Then I add a tad bit of highlighter onto my nose for a gentler look. Moving on to the eyes, I am now prepping them with an eye primer to help keep the eyeshadow lasting longer and give it a smooth canvas. For the eyeshadow, I'm starting with a soft, almost dusty shade of pink, and I apply that all over the crease. After that, I add this almost almond sort of pink shade, and I apply that all over the lid. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm moving on to a liquid eyeliner, and I apply that with a small wing and just a little bit on the outer bottom corner, and I stop at the point where I reach my pupil. Once the eyeliner is done, I then apply some false eyelashes. This part is optional. If you don't want to wear false lashes, you can just curl your lashes and apply some mascara. Once the eyelashes are in place, I curl them and blend them in with my natural lashes by applying some mascara. So I naturally have a really angry resting face, and to kind of fix that a bit, I apply a little bit of shimmer onto my lower eyelid. That way my eyes look a little more smiley, if you would. To finish off the overall look, I then apply some lipstick, I usually go with a soft pink color. And for the last step, I finish it all off with a setting spray. And that is it for my chocolate makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, follow and subscribe if you haven't already. And if it helped you out, please be sure to tag me by using #MysticHermitTutorials. I would love to see how this cosplay looks on you guys. And with all that being said, I will be seeing you guys next time. Goodbye!